Hi guys, it's already 12. Dito na yung flight namin. It's already 11:51. Ang flight namin is 4:30. Hindi ko no? 6 pala. So, alis na kami ng 4. Update guys, it's already 12:53 and our flight is to 3, alis kami ng 3, so gising kami ng 2, so ako na ata magigising sa kanila. No sleep. Yeah. Hi guys, nakalagay sa phone ko may mga power bank na dalawa, diesel life, AirPods, glasses, yeah. Para pagdating sa airport na. So, here namin sa loob. Check-in namin, waiting na lang sa airplane later. See you all guys. Baba namin!
Nag-shooting lang din na naghanda yun sa ng pagkain. Sabi man niya sa atin. Ay, kagaya niya best friend niya.
Sampai tadi masyarakat buhi pa ng tagaron.
Mamaw. Wait lang.
Putas. Putas! Out apo sa gilid na. We're riding some pasalubongs. So many. Ang ganda. Yo, what's up guys? So, tapos na ako ng mga gamit. So, dito ako pinaka-stay sa relative ng father ko, and ito yung sasabi ko for tomorrow. So, kumuha na ako para hindi na ako pa-tomorrow. And then, here is it. Watch me how to be, paano mag-struggle. Yes! It's my second day. Nice na namin. Eating breakfast. Ang init. Sobrang init dito. Davao City guys. We're gonna stay for one day and later mag-zoo kami. So, see you later guys. Bye. Here. Here na kami! Nico,
Alos kasi buhay. Yan na.
Buhay na buhay.
kailangan ng plastic.
Mom is renew this way.
Capybara. Capybara, capybara. Eh, ang laki nung isa na yun. Sigbi. Ayan. Hindi masyado kita dito, pero...
Mamaya, we have show with the name.
Mas check natin, possible.
Oh, 19. Matagal.
Ayun o, dear.
Ay, isang buo yun.
Ano po, it depends po kung ilan sila dito mga nasa.
Hi, hi. Uy. Hello! So, kakatapos namin here. It's super dami ng place. So much greater, so much daming animals. So, yeah. Butterfly. Super dami. Here. Hello. Ostrich. So here kami sa souvenirs. Doon na kami mag-zoo and we are going to eat lunch after the lunch. We're eating lunch. So dito kami kain na ng lunch sa Bandayan Suplati and Philippine Eagle Center na go to Putman. So here na kami sa Philippine Eagle Center, guys. Pasok na kami. Ayun, natatakot na. So may crocodile dito. Nasa horror house siya. Ayan, kasalukuyan natatakot na siya. Here, oh. Sa Philippine Eagle. Monkeys. Many monkeys here. Look, oh. Cute. So actually this place is really huge. Sobrang daming, I mean, ang ganda yung preservation nila for the families. Flock of birds pala. So sobrang ganda. Na-preserve yung ganito. So it was a nice good job for this place. Napupunta yung entrance fee sa magandang preservations of the whole habitat for them. So goodbye. Biyahe na kami ngayon, papuntang Bukidnon.
Narinig mo yan?
Hey, nami! Stop over na saglit. Here. Actually, this is our second stopover. So, ayan, grabe yung road, guys. Sobrang grabe. Like, ang taas. Parang ang ganda ng view. Ang ganda. Wow. Yo, what's up guys? It's day 3 here at Mindanao. So, here kami sa Bukidnon, Dahilayan. So, we stayed here for 2 nights, no? Hanggang dito kami mamaya. So, ngayon, gagawin namin is mag-rides kami as usual. Kung ano yung mga sikat here sa Dahilayan. So, actually, this is our view. So, I forgot to take a video para last night kasi sobrang pagod na rin and we need to rest kasi alas kami nakarating like 9 p.m. As per sa video, di ba gabi-gabi na. So, yeah. So, another long day na naman and excited to show you guys kung ano yung mga iba-ibang rides here. So, see you later. I'm going to eat. We're going to start the view. We're live. So magkano may entrance fee na. Here, mahaba pila. So yeah, let's go. So we're waiting for our first zip line. Let's go. Hirap pag video guys. Ayan, kita na. Oh. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go! Woo! 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 Let's go! And our second zip line. Medyo maulan, so tuloy pa rin. Let's go! Second zip line, let's go! Woo! Third zip line! Go! Uy, kala ko! Woo! And our fourth zip line, hindi ko na nag-videohan guys yung intro ng third zipline kasi sunod-sunod lang siya. So, ayun. Dito mag-video kapag plans. So, ito yung kasunod. Yan. Pakita ko na sa inyo mga video. Ito. Uy! Uy! Hala! Let's go! Whee! So, let's go! Our fifth ride! Uy! Uy! Ha? Oh! Oh my God! Stop! Oh, shit! So here we are at the forest park, guys. After we tried all the zip lines na sobrang extreme lahat. So we are first going to eat, and after that, siguro makipicture muna around this area, tapos diretso ulit sa rides. So ayan, later. Bye guys. So we're waiting our food here at the Jesse's Diner. Tum na yan. Ayan, kakain na kami. So we're headed to our next stop, rope course na bago kami mag-forest park. So ayun. Let's go! Walang tao. Start na kami. Let's go! So, hi guys. We're here at the forest park. And nagsaka na tayo. Ayan. And ito siya. This is the other side of the adventure park ng Dahilayan. Then, bibili kami ng ticket. And, pagod. Actually, natapos ko yung rope. Kaso nagsuka. Are at the forest canopy walk. Guys, so picture na kami dito. Okay, this is our second ride for the first group. Woo! Let's go! We are on our first round at the Rainbow Slide. So we're here at the Hanging Bridge na. Let's go. Okay. So here is it. Yeah, pabalik na kami. And we're finally done for all of the activities we've purchased here sa Dahilayan. It was really fun. Sobrang saya. Sobrang fulfilling yung ibang activities na i-did it nyo na kinaya ko siya. Hello guys! So we're heading back to our hotel now. And natapos na namin lahat ng mga activities. Actually, madami siyang bayad, kumbaga, pero all of it is worth it kasi mostly dito mo lang siya ma-encounter lahat. Ayun. So, I recommended this place talaga, lalo yung adventure park. Talagang panghulog puso lahat, talagang paguran. Ganun. Here sa forest park, pang family talaga siya. So, malapit na kami sa may hotel namin. Okay, hindi pala siya dito. So, dito siya. Ayan. So, bye guys! Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog again. It's our day 4 here. So, I forgot to took a video last night. Nakapag-dinner kami here. Dito pa rin naman sa hotel. And as such, nagpahinga na kami. So, ngayon, mag-breakfast kami. And this is my apple juice here. So, let's go! So, right now, bacon ulit. Let's go. Here's shot guys. We're going to yung pasoog tour na.
Masarap kasi talaga. Pero sabi ni Ate, dalan daw siya. Ano?
Saan tayo? Apple juice. Ito pala ma. Here na. Ayan. Here, Puro del Monte. Mura dito. Guys, super ganda. Ba't ang init? Hello, Dogo. Hello, Dogo. Here, this is a closer look. So,
Yung video mo.
here's the Pangalan Ranch, guys. Sobrang laki. Ganda ng place. Para siyang painting. Ayun. Ganda sa personal, no joke. Worthy. IG worthy. Lalo ka pa nakapoy yan. So, ayan. Picture pa kami. Here. So right now we're going to eat here in the Cowboy Town Resto. Ito pala yung mga tourist spot around here sa Impasugong, Bukidnon. So ayun, this is the place. Literal pang cowboy talaga. We're going to eat. Let's eat. Ooh, what? We're in the back to see.
Saan?
So, we're eating here now sa... Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng mall. Ito yung dinner ko. So, hi guys. This is our day 5 here in Mindanao. So, yung outfit natin. Wow. So, ito pala yung view. Ayan. Dito kami sa CDO City, guys. Malapit siya sa Lidcat Kai Mall. Super laki ng room. As in, actually, doon pa siya. May isa pang room doon, living room. As in, super good siya for the, madaming good, long, big family. So, ayan, we do have many agendas now. Siguro kakain, bili pa sa lubong, sa lalala. So, ayan. So, we're here at the Amal View. First city tour namin here is sa CDO. And then, siguro pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Hirap, wala ng boses, sobrang puyat. So we're going to buy some tickets lang for later. And here's the fit. So let's go! So this is the view, guys. Actually, dito kami sa may Larry's Hill part nila. Obstacle course ulit. Pero na dyan, na-try ko yan sa Dahilayan and I don't want to ulit. Ayan siya. Here's the view, guys. Here, may mga koi fish dito. Look. Here we are sa hanging bridge nila. Medyo steady naman and ayoko tumingin. So here kami sa Noah's Ark, guys. We're in may mga animals around here. So may chicken. Ala, kakainin niya. So many snakes here. Yeah. Marami siyang animals, guys. So, yeah. There's a tiger there. We're here at sa mga birds. So, ayan. Okay, goodbye, birdies.
Gutom eh.
Here kami. Bili kami pa sa lubong. Here's studio. Yeah. This could be our second last, before the last stop na kakain. So kakain. Bili na kami ng mga pasalubong. Here we are going to eat at the beside the shore lang yan. Sa malapit sa dagat ng CDO. Dito siya. Ayan. So let's go. We're gonna sleep. But that view. Sobrang linaw. Kaya na. Here, kapon. Yum.
Yeah.
Great.
So many.
Alright guys, we're here at the airport na pauwi. So, ayan. So, ang takip pa ng flight namin, mga 9:45 at yung araw namin dito. So, tatambay talaga kami dito. Di ba lang matutulog ba? Mag-head na video and such. So, yeah. I'll update you guys later. So, I bought potato corner before our flight. So, mamaya pa flight namin. So, this is the parang waiting area before the flight. Mamaya kakain pa. So, ayun. So, we're going to eat. Here's the meal. So, kakain lang. So we're heading home.